Hey guys, today we're going to learn how to make strawberry milk. So before you can get this beautiful product, we need to do some boiling, stirring, and pouring. Ready for this? Let's go! First, let's grab some ingredients. So you're going to need 2 strawberries, which you need to make sure to wash well. Wash. Okay, now you're going to cut them up. So I cut them up into quarters. And then I'm going to further dice it. It doesn't really matter how small it is, or it doesn't really matter how small the size of the strawberries are, just as long as they're in pieces. Okay. All right, now let's go grab some water. We're going to grab half a cup of water. Then you're going to put it into a small saucepan and put it on high heat. Once your water is boiling, add in your strawberries. Now let's get your sugar ready. We're going to grab 1.5 tablespoons of sugar and put it into the saucepan. And stir to distribute the sugar. You don't want it all clumped onto one strawberry, although I'm sure that would taste good. And now we're going to let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. It should smell really fragrant and sweet. Well, because it's sugar and strawberries. Get your cup ready. Pour in 1.5 cups of milk. Now place in the strawberries. And finally add in the syrup. You should be able to see the pretty layering effect between the milk and strawberry syrup. Isn't it pretty? There's a nice white to pink contrast, and there's no food coloring added. Kind of reminds me of cherry blossoms. Yeah, I do want to go back to Japan, but we can't right now. The colors will blend into one once you start mixing. Now try it out and get your strawberry milk mustache. Bye bye, thanks for watching!